Today we're testing true vortex Yang Engineering prototype cylinder head. What you see here happening is compressed air swirling in the simulated cylinder. You can see the rice turning inside there, essentially to show the effect of the vortex. To the left is the actual schematic of final product. Note that there's a better view. The cylinder head is actually supposed to be on top. We've shown you this to show you how the cylinder head's setting.
Well, today is June 13, 2009. We are trying the Yang Engineering system, the single valve engine, and this demonstration.